Discover the convenience and efficiency of home workouts with the bcan folding exercise bike. This compact powerhouse is a game changer for fitness enthusiasts and casual exercisers alike. Let's dive into what makes this bike a must-have for your daily routine. The bcan folding exercise bike stands out with its sturdy steel frame and semi-recumbent design, supporting up to 330 pounds. Its space-saving foldability means you can easily transition from home to office, making fitness accessible wherever you are. With dimensions that respect your living space, this bike is not just a fitness tool, it's a seamless addition to your lifestyle. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the bike's infinite magnetic resistance system caters to all fitness levels. It's designed to help you reach your goals from weight loss to muscle toning and cardiovascular health. The bike's adaptability is further highlighted by its ability to comfortably accommodate users from 4 feet 8 inches to over 6 feet 2 inches, ensuring a personalized workout experience. Stay motivated with the bike's basic LCD monitor that tracks your heart rate, speed, distance, and calories burned. This real-time feedback keeps you engaged and focused on your fitness journey, allowing you to measure your improvements and push your limits. The bike's ergonomic design, including a two-way adjustable seat and semi-recumbent position, offers comfort and support, especially for those with back issues. The multi-grip handlebar and anti-skid pedals with adjustable straps ensure a secure and enjoyable workout, making it easier to stay consistent with your exercise regimen. Enjoy the silence of the magnetic tension system, perfect for apartment living or early morning workouts. When you're done, the transport wheels make it a breeze to fold and store the bike out of sight, proving that good things come in compact, foldable packages. In summary, the bcan folding exercise bike is a popular choice for its blend of functionality, comfort, and convenience. With a 1-year parts warranty and effortless assembly, it's a hassle-free investment in your health. Embrace the ease of folding, storing, and sweating with this exceptional exercise bike.